need to get home.
It's a bit of a random one today. I'm in Nottingham, and the sun's come out. It's the Saturday before Good Friday, and I thought to take a wander down to Hockley. You don't see many of those about. Good old telephone box. They used to be quite popular in Nottingham. Bikes, electric bikes, along with the scooters. The scooters have gone, but the bikes are still here, but not so many of them. The 6-barrel draft house. It's had a few changes in its time. I remember when it was I think it was the Nelson. Used to go there quite a bit. That's when or prior to this road being pedestrianised. There are lots of eateries down here, coffee shops, not much retail, but what is down here, retail wise, tend to be independents. Rough Trade Records and Wild Clothing are just 2 examples, and then we've got the Hockley Canteen here on the right, which I visited a while back, and the link is in the description below. The old Angel is still going, although now it's the micro pub. Chippy next door. Well, it used to be a traditional chippy. I think it still is, but I think they sell kebabs as well now. Nothing wrong with kebabs after a few pints. Void, that's been here a while, 1982. But Icenine here, which I originally remember selling juggling stuff and quirky metalwork. They've been here since 1979. Well, while I'm at the bottom of Hockley, might as well pop over the road, go and have a look at the market, Sneinton Market, see what's happening. I think the weather knows what it wants to do. The sun was out and it started to rain, or I don't know if it was snowing or sleeting. Now it's stopped again. What's happening? That's interesting. Across the way, brand new building, Nelson Court, and it incorporated the name Sneinton Market into the brickwork at the top, which is a nice touch. Tell you what, it's bloody windy. I was looking forward to getting the drone up today, but there's no chance, absolutely no chance, not down here anyway. There's a Bunkers Hill there. I can remember when it was a Barclays Bank, and then it closed down. Then it was a flower shop for a while, and now it's a pub. and its third guise, I believe. The water garden, good name for a plant shop. On the left, we've got what we used to call the banana building in Nottingham. It was owned by, or well, its name was the Fife building. So of course, all down here, years and years ago, it was a wholesale market. The avenues across the road. I used to come in, used to have my dinner in there quite often on a Sunday. Now, of course, all these avenues are home to a lot of small businesses, not least a brewery, or maybe a couple of breweries. The Sneinton Market, that's all now been pedestrianised. I think there's still a market down here. Well, there used to be one every Saturday. It's Saturday today, there's not one, and I think there was one in the week on would it have been a Tuesday? So I don't know what's happening on that score. The Victoria Leisure Centre on my left used to be home to the Nottingham Beer Festival a long time ago, which has since moved a couple of times, maybe 3 times. Part of this building has been demolished and rebuilt, but they've still got the facade or fascia. Is that the correct word? With the infamous clock tower. Across the road we've got the Bath Inn, which I do intend to visit sometime. But it's not open yet. What's the time? 11 o'clock? Half 11? 8 minutes past 12. So maybe they don't open too early on a Saturday.
Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah. Oh!
Yes!
It's bloody chucking it down now. In fact, it looks like it's trying to hail, so let's try and get a bit of shelter in here if we can. It was scheduled to be a nice day today. There you go, typical English weather. Oh, it is getting fast now. Look at that. Let's cross over here. Try and dodge this rain. Don't know where it came from. Well, up there somewhere. Fabric and sample sale. How nice is that? I like this idea. Pop-up park. Keep it wild. Interesting. Oh, I like this as well. Rapture Brewing Company. We do like brewing, don't we? Or its products, its final products. Shame about the weather today. I've just been told there was some sort of yard sale. Well, that sounds a bit American to me, but some sort of sale anyway down here. But the well, it's sort of been rained off, but the sun's come out again now. What's all that about? Couldn't make it up. Yeah, shame about the weather, otherwise it would have been yeah, a good day out down here. Right, I will revisit, but as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And finally, as always, cheerio now. Hey, up, that wind's picking up again. Oh, blimey.